Hi everyone, welcome back to the G.Life. So today I am showing you guys a video of what I eat in a day, but for 2 days. So this day for breakfast, I just had coffee and a banana. I wasn't very hungry, so I just had that. And I just put in 1 tablespoon of my creamer. Now moving on to lunch. For lunch, I had like a little whole wheat pita bread pocket with some cheddar cheese and some chicken breast. I also added some mustard, which you guys will see, and then I added some tapatio because I love tapatio. This lunch was a total of 6 points. The cheddar cheese is 3, the chicken was 1, and the pita bread was 2 points, and then mustard and tapatio is 0 points. And then I also had some tomatoes just because I needed that little crunch. I mean, am I the only one that cannot have a sandwich without a little crunch? Like, I can't have chips, so I have to have that. Now for dinner, I am preparing some chili in the crock pot. This is the Weight Watchers recipe, so I'll go ahead and link it down below if I can find it for you guys. It did ask for minced garlic, but I didn't have any, so I just threw in a whole garlic. It also asked for a ton of beans. I put pinto beans, I put black beans and kidney beans, and then I also put one of the packages of chili powder, not chili powder, the chili mixture that you buy prepackaged, and then you guys saw the onion and the garlic, and it also asked for tomato sauce and crushed tomatoes. It actually came out really good. I really enjoyed it. It was very tomato-ish, and then I also liked that it was like you could say vegetarian because there was no meat in it. Now this chili is 0 points, so that was great. Okay, so snack time now. I'm gonna have a pear, and I do like to cut it up because for some reason whenever I bite into a pear or an apple, I always get a canker sore, and I'm pairing it with the Nutri-Grain bar, which is 5 points, and then I had also paired it with the ice drink, but I didn't drink any of it actually. So now it's dinner time and I'm having that chili, and then I'm also gonna toast 2 pieces of this toast for myself, and this one is actually 2 points for 2 slices, which is great. I didn't know that before I bought it, so that's awesome. I wanted to drink that, but it was 8 points for a cup, and I was like, oh no, I can't. So I had to just go with, you know, good old water. All right, so on the chili, I did add 1 ounce of cheddar cheese. You guys will see that I measure it out. We got this scale from our wedding, but we got it at Bed Bath. We registered for it at Bed Bath & Beyond. It's the OXO brand, and we really like it. We've had it for like 4 years now, and I really like it. Moving on to snack time before bedtime, I did have 26 almonds. I did count them, guys. And then I had a pastry and an apple. The almonds were 6 points, the pastry was 4, and then obviously the apple was 0. This day I ended my day with 0 points, so I was able to use up all of my points for the day. So the following day I just meal prepped some oatmeal. This is just steel cut oatmeal with almond milk. And after I microwaved it, I did add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar just to add some more flavor to it. And once I mixed it up and let it cool down a little bit, I did share some of this with my son Michael. So I probably could have counted a lot less points for this, but I ended up counting it as 4 points for the whole thing. And then I added some frozen blueberries because I love frozen blueberries in my oatmeal. And then of course you cannot not have coffee in the morning, and so I had coffee with, again, 1 tablespoon of my creamer. It was so good. I love coffee, guys. Anybody else? And then I always have banana in the mornings. And then for snack time, I did have 2 hard-boiled eggs. I was so hungry for some reason, so I had that, and then again, I added tapatio because I love tapatio in my food. So for lunchtime on this day, I actually had already meal prepped some food as well. I had brown rice, carrots, and then turkey mixed with black beans and tomato sauce. That turned out to be a total of 2 points. That was awesome. For snack time, I had 15 slices of turkey pepperoni for a point and then a fiber 1 bar for 4 points. That bar was so good, guys. Now for dinner time, I just had leftovers. We had so much leftovers, so we had the same thing. And for snack time, at the end of the night, I had a bagel. This bagel was so good. 5 points for the bagel and 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. I love my cream cheese, guys. Don't judge me. And then I also had a banana to fill me up for the night. So this day, I had a leftover of 3 points for the day, and they did roll over for the next day, so that was good. Anyways, guys, this is what I had for the 2 days. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll link my Instagram down below if you guys want to go ahead and follow me, and I'll see you all in the next time. Bye, guys.